it's just the desert.
Ano ba makita natin dito? Oh, wow. Dito tayo sa desert, guys. Uy, grabe, astig. Oh my goodness. Oh, diba? Dito tayo sa desert. Charot. Ayan, guys. Andito ako sa Iraq. Ang galing, guys. Astig. Astig, diba? Wow, look at that. Uy. Oh. Okay ba? Oh, tutulog yung ano, foxes. Oh, I love sleeping. Natutulog sila. Ganda, guys. Astig, uy. Ano meron dito? Ah, ibon. Andun ang ibon. Grabe, no? Ganito pala the desert. Shoot. Astig. Oh. San kayo niyan? Ayan, guys. Swerte nyo. We are here at the Omaha Zoo. The best zoo in America. Char. Yes. Totoo, guys. Oh, look at that. Wow. Ano meron dito? Oh. Grabe. Oh, astig. Oh my goodness. Parang totoo. Para kung nasa ano, ha? Anong meron dito? Ah, andun. Oh. Anong meron? Ah. Oh, may ibon. Ay, Ay. Oh, wow. Hi, Shri.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. Anong meron dito sa loob? Ah, that's it? Meron pa ba? Meron ba tayong papasok? Meron pa ba dito? Okay, ano to?
No way.
Ay, so dark though.
Yeah, don't go in there.
That's a cherry. Collard cherry.
Oh, wow. Oh, di ba? Panalo. Ay, owl. Oh, look at that. Is that, oh, the owl? Is that owl? Oh, finally, we've seen a real,
I don't know what type of owl, but it says over here somewhere.
we,
Burrowing owl.
okay, that's nice.
It's pretty cool.